You either trade consciously or stay a spectator.
Yeah. They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own.
I am the fear. Every day I share my system with those ready to work. Over 20,000 traders are already in my Telegram channel, where I publish signals, strategies, and the latest financial news. Want to see how it really works? Link in the description. Join now. While others are still thinking, we are already earning. On the EUR/AUD chart, I noticed a strong bullish impulse after a prolonged decline. A local reversal had formed at the bottom. RSI came out of the oversold zone and started climbing, which confirmed the signal. The price printed a solid green candle on increased volume. I opened a call trade for $85, targeting a continuation of the move. Trade duration 1 minute, right when the candle closed above a local resistance level. Want to start earning from trading but don't want to spend months learning charts and indicators? There is a simple way to begin now. I created a VIP channel with a live trading session. You get my real-time entry points. Just copy and earn. Message me on Telegram to join and receive 240 signals per month. Link in the description. Perfect execution. Price continued to rise and closed above the entry point. $163 landed in the account. Net profit $78. Clean entry and short confirmation. On AUD GPY, I spotted a strong drop with price hitting a local low. RSI dipped into the oversold zone and the candle formed a bottom wick, a hint of a possible reversal. I enter a buy trade for 1 minute with $163, expecting a bounce from support and a short recovery. Want to earn passively? Try copy trading. Every time I trade, your account follows. Same entry, same exit, same result. You don't need years of experience, just connect your account and start earning. Many people made $500, $1,000 in their first week, not by luck, but by discipline and structure. If you're ready to follow a real trader with real values, message me on Telegram, link in the description. And rightly so, price bounced almost immediately after entry and closed higher. Trade ended in profit. $312 landed on the balance, $149 net gain. Great timing! On AUD CHF, I saw strong downward movement followed by a sharp bounce from the 0.6 level. The candle formed a reversal pattern. At the same time, RSI came out of the oversold zone and started climbing. Further confirmed the signals. I opened a buy trade with $313, expecting a short-term bounce back to the previous consolidation level. ZFX Robot, my new AI trading bot that analyzes the market and gives signals with up to 92% accuracy. No emotions, no delays, just clean entries. It works with Forex, crypto, and stocks. 24/7 signals. Trade anytime. Turbo mode. Get a signals of 5 seconds. A set ranking. The bot shows you where to earn now. Want to try it? Message me. I'll connect you today. Link in the description. Within a minute, price moved confidently above the entry level and stayed there. Trade closed in profit. $600 hit the account, with $287 net gain. Great bounce, textbook confirmation. On the AUD-CAD chart, I noticed strong recovery after a sharp fall. Price bounced hard over strong local low and started forming a bullish candle on solid volume, a sign of a potential reversal. RSI climbed out of the oversold zone, increasing the probability of a short-term rally. I entered a call trade for 1 minute with $313, right at the turning point, waiting to see if the bullish momentum holds. Want to trade without compromising your values? I developed ProfitX Robot, a smart assistant that trades only halal assets. It runs 24/7 and delivers around 200 precise signals per month with an 86% success rate. Want to trade hands-free? Message me on Telegram. I'll get you set up. Link in the description. Now let's check the result. Just as expected, price kept climbing and the candle closed above the entry level. Trade ended in profit, $600 added to the balance, with $287 net gain. The setup worked perfectly. The balance grew from $85 to $1,154 in just 4 trades. Clean and low risk. EUR-AUD, bought after reversal. Strong upward move. Profit. AUD-JPY caught the rebound of the lows. Another win. AUD-CHF, impulse entry after correction. Perfect timing. Solid result. AUD-CAD, sharp recovery, went long at the reversal. Strong finish. Final tally. 4 trades, account growth plus, calm focused trading, all by the book. Want the same results? Subscribe to my Telegram channel. Signals education and live support await. Link in the description.